So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And like with this series, we are going to start awesome Flutter widgets, from which you can make your UI kind of more level up and make it more cool for the users. So this is a series about getting the knowledge of widgets and how you can use that in your code so that your kind of UI looks next level. So for today video, we are going to only focus on fonts and let's make it more cooler. So for that, we are using Google Fonts. So in today's video, mostly we are going to enhance our fonts in our code, and let's start and know how to use it. So first, let me kind of adjust myself here and make it a little more smaller. So let's start. So first of all, if you want to use Google Fonts, you just have to go to pub.dev and here you can just search it for Google Fonts. So you can get on the first place only, and you just have to install it. And how you can install it? First of all, the main key to kind of know about any widget, you just have to go to the documentation. And in the first page, you can get all the details about documentation, how the things are used, and what are the parameters in the widget. And then you have an example to show how it is used, and then you have a kind of a field so that you can install it also. So for installing it, we are just going to copy this command and move to our project, so we can just import it. So you just have to paste the command and just put it here. So I have already kind of imported it. So I have it is not made any changes, but still it got downloaded and made any changes. So let's start with the coding part and know how we can make our fonts more exceptionally cool. So first of all, let's remove all the default code and let's write it from the start. So in the Flutter, everything execute inside the main function because it is similar to the C++ code. So why can't we take this? So it is similar to the C++ code. So now we just have to make one stateless widget. Inside that, just name it as my app, and let's change it to material app. Inside that, you can just give the home, which we have to make it. So this is the screen where all the fonts will be visible. So for that, let's again make a state full widget, okay, and name it as main screen, and just have to pass this screen inside home and paste it over here. Remove this container to scaffold, and inside scaffold, we'll call the body widget, and inside body, let's give some of the parameters. For example, let's give the background color to our screen, which is white, because our changes will be more visible in the white. And you can also do debug checker banner false. After that, let's try to create the main screen. So for creating the main screen, let's start with the text only because it is based on our fonts. So let's use hello world, and let's see how we can make our fonts more cooler. So for using Google Fonts, you just have to give it inside the style, and you just have to import Google Fonts. And here you can import multiple of different fonts, which is present in the Google Fonts library. So for the first one, we are using Poppins, which is my personal favorite. And here we can give multiple different attributes or a parameter to the font. For example, let's give a color, which is most important, which will be a black color. And we can give a font weight to, which will be bold. And we can give a font size to. For font size, I'll be giving 25. That's it. So let's try to refresh it and do one thing. Let's center it so that everything comes in the center, and you can see that. So you can see on your screen that we are kind of getting the text hello world in a Poppins form. So if you want to see the changes what it made, we can just remove this with a text style. So you can see that how the things change, because the old font is kind of little non cool, but see the new font, the Google one. So this is how you can implement the Google fonts. And let's test multiple fonts which is inside it. So first of all, let's for testing it, put inside a column, remove this center, and inside column I can give main axis alignment as a center for putting it in the center. And I can also use a row over here with the same thing for making it in the center. And let's try to copy this multiple times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and let's see what are the different fonts are inside this. So first of all, let's use a font, anything. Let's try start from A, use this. Then let's start from F, use this. Start from C, or the Comic Sense, which everyone kind of likes. And yes, let's use from J, I think. Let's use from Q. Let's use from Q. And let's use from P. Let's use from Z. Okay, so this is we have like wrote the code for all. And let's try to kind of refresh it. And you can see in your screen there are the fonts in multiple different styles. So like by doing the default thing, you just have to, if you want to go with a manual and default way, you just have to add all the libraries in your assets file. But the Google font is a library or a package which gives you access to multiple different fonts just by importing one package. The only catch is it only works when your device is only connected to internet. Okay, so this is how you can make your project or code or the text in your code or in your app more cool. And like see, you can literally see that how beautiful the fonts look like. And just imagine you are using it in your code in different fonts. So that's it for the today's video. I hope you have liked it. So make sure you subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And more different contents are coming in the channel. And in this series, I'll be telling you multiple cool widgets for app bar, for nav bar, for different animation, for draw like 3D draw and everything. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Thank you.